Hello and welcome to a new Kubio tutorial. In this exercise, we're using the starter website called Photographer. You can find it under the Kubio menu in the WordPress dashboard. This tutorial will show you how to add images to a web page and how to use images as backgrounds. First, let's go back to the WordPress dashboard and add some images to the media library. I have downloaded some images from Unsplash. Now let's go to our page and add a new section with one column. Let's add the image block to this section. You can now upload an image from your device. Pick one from the media library or add the link of an image. The moment you select the image block, a toolbar will show up on top of it that allows you to align the image, crop it, move it, and even delete it. You can also select the whole section that contains the image. A similar toolbar will show up that will allow you to move the section, add background and columns, or delete it. Let's go back and select the block image. Besides the toolbar on top, you can notice the block editor on the right. The editor will allow you to add customizations to the image block. The content option allows you to replace your image, align it, resize it, or add a caption to it. Inside the style option, you can set up the opacity of the image, add a box shadow or a border. Let's add a 10-pixel solid yellow border to the image with a radius of 50. You can always reset any customization to the default option via the reset button. In the Pro version of Kubio, you can also add effects to the image. The advanced option allows you to make edits to the image, its container, and its caption, both in the normal and hovered states. Here you can add a background image to the block and adjust the spacing around the image or inside its container using the padding and margin options. You can add a border and shadow from here as well. From the responsive option, you can decide whether to show or hide the block on mobile, tablet, or desktop. Now, let's say you want the image to cover the whole width of the screen. This means you will need to use the image as a background. We'll remove the current image block and select the section. From the editor on the right, go to Advanced. Now, go to Background and select the image background type. Choose an image from the media library. In the Pro version of Kubio, you can add the background as an overlay or use it as a parallax. Now, let's adjust a bit the height of our section so that the background becomes more visible. You can do this from the Layout option. You can set up the container height to full screen or assign it a minimum height. You can add backgrounds to almost any block with Kubio from the background options inside Style and Advanced. And that was all. You now know how to handle images in Kubio. See you next time.